Welcome to Innovatix's suite of migration utilities. In this video, we'll introduce DataMorph, a powerful tool designed to simplify data migration. Critical to any migration is the transfer of years of historical data across potentially hundreds of tables. The DataMorph utility not only transfers the data and free tables from the legacy to the target, it actually creates the table's primary fields and any other required information to ensure the new application works properly without any new code written by the developer. The first step after opening DataMorph is to name the export file. The user is then asked if they want to include detailed records from the legacy FoxPro database. Next, browse to select the database source location. As you hit Validate Path, you'll see both the database and free tables identified on the screen, and validate the tables to ensure there are no errors in the FoxPro application. Next, users select the SQL Server. Importantly, DataMorph is configured to allow authentication via either SQL Server or Windows. Selecting the data type mapping allows the mapping of a FoxPro to the SQL Server. Now you're ready to select the SQL Server database and click Upload Data. Sit back and watch as the progress bar as the data is migrated. This can take several minutes based on the dataset size. Once complete, users receive a process log listing the counts of FoxPro tables, number of records exported, and any records that experienced errors. DataMorph provides details on each record error, including error messages and the corresponding SQL session query. The utility then enables users to quickly edit the errors directly within the query on the screen provided. After migration, both an export and time log are provided. Export log displays the conversion log report as an Excel file. Time log displays the time taken for migrating the database and upload details as an Excel file. As you just saw, DataMorph saves significant amounts of time and ensures complete, accurate data transfer. DataMorph is one of the utilities in our suite of proprietary modernization tools. Thank you.